Hi guys, today I'm gonna review the Tissot PRX powermatic 80. The watch came out a few months ago. They came out with the quartz movement, and I think it was late August, beginning of September when this one was released the automatic version. So let's do the measurements first. We have a 40 millimeter case. We have 44 millimeters lug to lug. We have 10.8 thickness. It's a very nice solid case. The watch is coming with 100 meters water resistance, and I think the watch is absolutely great value for the money. As we can see, the bracelet, it's integrated. We do have the brushed links. The clasp, it's triple folded with double button release. We have the Tissot logo and 1853 engraved on the clasp. So we have the date at 3 o'clock, crown at 3 o'clock with Tissot logo on. The watch is stainless steel. Case is brushed. The bezel is polished. This is the blue dial. I think this color is absolutely amazing. It does look much better into the sunlight. They're doing this model in black dial and white dial as well. We have a see-through case. We can see the movement. The watch is using powermatic movement, which is 80-hour power reserve. I think for this watch, that's absolutely amazing. The prices, I don't know, they're going into the British pounds, like 565 British pounds for the blue and the black. And I think the white one, it's a bit more expensive, it's 590. But I think if you go to a shop and you can get a good deal from them. I'm gonna let a link below with the shop which I bought the watch from. They give me a good discount and I'm really pleased with the watch. I did a review for the quartz movement as well. The watch, the automatic one, the powermatic 80, it's a bit more heavier and I think it's more I don't know what word should I say. I don't want to upset the quartz movement, but definitely I will go for the automatic movement. There was a lot of comment about the quartz movement. Everybody was saying that the second hands was between the tips. It wasn't exactly going from a second to another second, was somewhere in the middle, up here on the top. But I think they solved this problem with this powermatic movement. I'm gonna try to see if I can. I'll put it on the wrist first to see. Let's look on the bracelet. It's so nice. The watch is so nice to wear. The bracelet, it's absolutely amazing. Very, very comfortable to wear. Try to see if I can manage to do a closer look, to have a look at the dial. So we have the winding. I managed to pull the crown out so I can move the hands. You can see the date as well. So for the first click we do set up the date. And the second click we set up the time. There we go. Lovely dial. Let me see if I can manage to do a close-up with the movement as well. There we go. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this watch.